I will never ignore a running light issue again after learning this simple fix. It's easier than you think. Let's get started. First things first, check if both running lights are out, or just one. If it's only one, it's likely a burned out bulb. Pop the hood. Find the back of the headlight and twist out the bulb socket. Carefully pull out the bulb and check for a broken filament or dark spot. If it looks bad, replace it with a matching bulb, usually number 194 or 168 for the Colorado. If a new bulb doesn't solve it, check the fuse box. Your owner's manual will show which fuse controls the running lights. Pull it out with the fuse puller and see if it's blown. If so, swap it for a new one with the same rating. Still not working? There could be a wiring problem, or a bad socket. Look for bent pins or corrosion where the bulb sits. If you see green or white buildup, clean it gently, or replace the socket if needed. And that's it. In most cases, a simple bulb or fuse swap gets your Chevy Colorado's running lights glowing again. If you're still having trouble, it might be time to visit a mechanic. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.